Hey guys, Will back, Will Shop Dayton, and today we're changing out the sway bar links on the 2004 Nissan Sentra 1.8. What you're going to need is two sway bar links, two replacing sway bar links, exactly the same. These are my two. As you can see, I got the grease fitting, which I do recommend. I love having parts with grease fittings. That means they're serviceable. You're going to need a wrench set. I'm going with the ratcheting wrenches set. Most of my sizes are 14s. You're going to need a socket set, which also most of the size that I need is a 14. I'm using my trusty 3/8 impact, and you're going to need a grease fitting to grease the sway bar links afterwards, and I always include a universal fitting. Gonna break the nut, the top nut. The bottom should be pretty easy. I'm just gonna use the air tools on that. Found it. Let's see if I can get this in within this couple. On this first part of the video, hopefully. Okay, so now I got a good leverage point. Got a good leverage point right there. I'm gonna go ahead and try to hit it with my hammer. See what I get. Hopefully I get it turning. Nope, not like that. Can't tell if it's turning or not. Not getting the best grip on it. Okay, got it. I got it turning. Okay. Okay. Back again. Got it turning with the wrench and the hammer. Who needs air tools, right? So I got it turning. That's the good part. The bad part is I need to hold the stud right here. So I'm gonna try to come backwards, get some leverage on it, like that. Then hopefully it gets stuck like that, and there we go. Hopefully it comes right off. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. Like I said, I didn't see any of these videos either. With the very small, compact sway bar links. That should be it. Should come right off. There we go. Washer, nut, washer, sway bar link, and pull it on out. And as you can see, I mean, you can probably pretty much tell, but this thing is 100% shot and destroyed. So, out with the old and in with the new. Doesn't that up just a tad? There we go. Just like that. I had to go up just a little bit more. It's still there. Good. Let's push that washer on and press up. Hopefully I can get a turn on it and keep getting a turn. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna use the ratchet. Use my wrench. Oh wait, no, I can't. 15 ratchet and wrench. That's why I use different tools, or include different tools. That's pretty much what I want. Just a turn on it, like that. Okay, I think it is. And that's the top. And I'm gonna zip the bottom with the air gun. Bottom with a ratchet. Instead of using the air tools, I can just go ahead and do it real quick. Doesn't have to be that tight. I mean, it has to be tight, but it doesn't have to be zipped on with the air tools. Just would save me time, but since I don't have access to it right now, I do it like this. Just tighten it by hand all the way down so it doesn't turn anymore. Pretty much. Might want to watch how that bushing is compressing. And other half turn. It's not what I want. Let's turn that back. You know it. So, right there. Appreciate you. I'll put this on and we're done. Straighten that up. You want them straight. Like that. And I'm gonna hold this while I tighten the bottom just to make sure. Release some ratchets and tools. There's one thing in there right there. I'll tighten the bottom up. And that's pretty much that. Everything is tight, everything is secure. And we are done with this side. That is how you change your sway bar link on the 2004 Nissan Sentra 1.8. These short, stubby, small sway bar links. See, that's very, 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 very good. I can't wait to drive it and see how it feels now. I'm still gonna grease those fittings. And just to do a comparison, that was the old one. That was the old one. Completely destroyed, done, twisting in there. And then these are what we got with the new ones. As you can see, no movement at all. Beautiful, strong, tough, well made. Can't wait to ride it and see. So that's pretty much it. That's how you change out your sway bar link on a Nissan Sentra 1.8. I hope everybody appreciate the video. I will be doing basically another one right behind it for my other channel. So check that one out. If you didn't like this one, you may like that one. Okay, appreciate you all. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. I'll also be starting off the giveaway in 2019, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're part of the giveaway and you're entered. And other than that, y'all have a blessed day. I appreciate you all. Peace.